Bite. See it?
Oh yeah.
That's a sheep.
Yeah.
Big sheep. Ready?
Yeah. Oh, nice, brother.
Oh, he fell off.
Oh no.
That's what happens when you use too big of a shrimp.
Okay.
I used the whole shrimp and I didn't. Yeah, we got a whole school of them. Look at that. They're just taking the bait. What's up? That's a sheepshead bite. You didn't even know it.
I didn't even know it, bro.
That's what I'm telling you. You gotta lift until you feel. That's a good one too, dude. That's a good one. Nice. Well, they're here.
First one, bro.
That one's a tank. You get better hookups with the tail. I like these little short ones right here. These little short ones, they don't bend or break off in their mouth. It's supposed to be like 85 degrees today. It's gonna be hot. We gotta catch more than one. At least you got the feel down for it now. Kind of have an idea what they feel like. You said you've only hooked one?
I hooked one, I got to the side of the boat and it shaked off. That was on that spot where the Yankee Town and the barge.
Oh, they got one. Oh, look, they're all fighting one. Look at them, they're all fighting them. That's a fish. Oh, they look like a rock.
Look at that, dude. He's just chomping down.
Oh, it just fell off. That's a good sheep. It's funny, I forgot to even turn the camera on. It's hard to fish and record and remember everything.
Oh yeah.
Another nice sheep's head. A little bit bigger. Yeah. A lot of little ones.
There we go.
Sheep's head?
Oh, a lot of head shakes. Oh, it's a bigger.
What the heck? That's a keepable size.
That's a grunt, right?
Yep.
I never caught one that big.
Go.
Bigger.
That's a sheep. Nice. That's a good one.
That's a good one, Justin.
We need to start getting the net out. That's a big one, dude.
Yeah, that's nice size, huh?
Oh, you're on fire. A gag.
Gag.
Baby. Baby grouper. I think it's a fish. That was a fish, wasn't it?
Was a fish.
The sheep's head look like rocks. Yeah, they're just falling off. That's why sometimes I use the smallest little piece of a tail when they're biting good. I say that and I think it's just a grunt. Oh, that's a little sheep. These are tiny sheep's head.
Yours are tiny over there too?
I thought I had a big one, it's a little tiny one. At least mine's bigger than yours.
You're right.
Look at the school sheep's head just left. That's funny. You hook one, the whole school leaves. Oh look, they're back. They're swimming around. Well, at least he's a keeper. Dude, you can see the sheep's head down there.
Really?
Yeah. They're 10 feet off the bottom. That's definitely what we're marking on the sonar.
The sun's coming up.
Oh yeah, I can see them. Look, they're following my jig. They're right behind the boat. They're coming up like snapper.
Really?
They're 5 feet under the boat. There's 10 of them right under our boat. I can see a whole mess of them. That's why sometimes you just use like a lightweight setup and just slowly let it sink and they'll eat it on the way down. Just lower it down real slow, and sometimes they follow it. That's nuts. See, that's a mating thing. When they're that far off the bottom and they're not feeding, see how far they are? We're reading them 10 feet off the bottom.
Yeah.
That's a mating thing. Yeah. You gotta see if we can get, oh, there he goes.
Or in the bottom?
I was hoping it was a giant sheepshead.
What is it, gag?
Big sheep.
I can't tell, he's white.
An albino.
Oh, no, it is a gag. That's a nice grouper.
It's a redfish, bro.
No, it's not the grouper.
You sure?
Yeah,
You sure?
it's a grouper.
Pull them up. Oh yeah, it is. Okay.
A redfish.
I was like, what the heck?
Nice gag.
They're down there.
Yeah. The grouper following the sheep's head up. Catching the grouper right under the boat too now. These are pretty good sized groupers.
Yeah. I didn't know that they look so shiny like that. Maybe it's because I've never caught.
That's a bigger one.
Yeah.
Look at the mouth on that sucker. Oh, it's fun on a trout rod, that's for sure. Well, 20-inch gags get me excited. Keep thinking they're big sheep's head. Sheepy. Are we gonna start netting them? Just so we don't break the hooks. Big sheep. This is hope it's not a gag. Feels like a grouper. Yep, he's floating up.
Grouper?
Yep, when they give up, you know it's a grouper. Dang grouper. That better not be a grunt.
Sheep.
Nice.
It's a good one too.
Good job. It's peeing everywhere.
I got them right on the damn edge of the lip.
That's the only way to get them.
Yeah.
Look at that. Dead weight. So look, I lift until I feel like he's really on there. And then he's still not. Are you freaking kidding me? That's a grunt. Maybe not.
Yeah, I don't think it is.
No, that's a sheep run. Good job. Yep, you got a big sheep's head.
That's a big one, Justin.
Good job.
Thanks. I see that. You were telling me about the dead weight. I started lifting up and it was dead weight. That's a stud, dude.
That's a good one.
Yeah, that one took drag.
Yeah, that's when it's fun, when they take drag. I feel like they're just starting to bite. We just got 2 in a row. Yeah, that's another sheep's head. We got 8 now. Here, you gonna hold that sucker up.
That's a stud, dude.
That's double sheep's head. That's a sheep right there.
You're on the hole.
Yep, another sheep. There's 9. Oh.
8.
Oh, yep, that is a bite. They're following it, it looks like. Yep, that's a sheep's head. He's following that. But you saw how you were lifting it up off the bottom?
Yeah.
And he was following it.
Yeah.
They're really curious fish, and they'll just follow it.
I feel like I'm getting the feel of it down.
Yeah, once you get that little trick that you just did,
Yeah.
you'll become so much better at sheep's head fishing.
Right.
So you lift it, and then when you drop it, on that drop, they sometimes will grab it. It was pretty funny watching you do that one. It was perfect. On the drop, you ate it. Caught! So you can tell when it's a heavy, look at that.
Yeah.
He's on there.
just doesn't want to.
And he dropped it.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for him to fully eat it.
Maybe drop him back down.
Got him. And he dropped it. I could feel him dropping it.
He just doesn't want to commit.
Oh, he's got it again. There he goes. Got him. Yep. That's another good one.
Huh?
That makes number 10. Oh, we lost number 10 at the side of the boat. The anticipation waiting for the bite is what's so suspenseful. Like, here we go. Grouper time. But it's hard to do with shrimp and not get the little fish.
Good. Nice.
And then the fight's over.
Yeah.
That's all. That's the whole fight.
Yeah.
And I won.
Give up.
Look at the size of that sucker. That's a good gag.
Oh, I got to.
So you just change up techniques and you get them.
Real nice. There we go.
Pincher. Pinch his tail.
Oh, yeah. How big does it have to be?
24. Lift slowly. He's on there. Oh, no, little fish had it. There you go. Have you felt that thump?
Yeah. It was
And
just
that was just a baby.
Yeah.
You're doing that jigging up and down, and then boom. They'll snatch that. They'll run for the rocks. That's my favorite kind of fishing. A jig head for big gags.
Oh, we went in the rock.
Yep.
Yeah. That fast.
Loosen up some pressure. Yeah, I saw him like thumping it, and then it just slowly went into the rock.
Yeah, that's a small fish.
That's a grouper. He's looking for the rock on the little St. Croix.
Oh man. Yep, you let it go.
God, it'd be nice if that was a snapper. It's another decent grouper
Yeah.
for the little rod.
Hell yeah. Oh, I gotta get one more.
Look at that.
Do you? Oh yeah.
Big one. There you go. Nice little pile of sheepshead. And we could easily have caught 20 if we had more people on the boat.
Yeah.
One.
Yeah.
I saw some weight at the end of that.
Too late. That was too late. I had too much slack out.
He was swimming with it. It looked like he grabbed it and was swimming forward. He was looking for a rock, so that means the rock's probably up here. He was trying to outrun you to it. When a grouper eats, the first thing they do is look for a rock. They grab it and literally turn and look for a rock.
Right.
They don't try to even fight. They're literally just searching the bottom for rocks. Full cooler by noon today. A good day.